Good morning, students. So this is the first class of the new year. So I wish you everyone a very happy new year. So we'll start with the new chapter, perimeter and area, chapter number 14 first. So in this chapter, you will learn how to use the formula for finding the perimeter, that is perimeter of rectangle, square and irregular figures. How you will use the formula for finding the area of a rectangle, area of a square, and you will know about the unit of the perimeter, which are the units of the length, centimeter, meter, kilometer, and the unit of the area are meter square, centimeter square and kilometer square.
Arpit goes for a jog every morning to a playground near his house, which looks like this. The jogging track is along the boundary of the playground, and you can see the lengths of various paths given. Now, if the society wants to fence this ground so that the outsiders or the unwanted people could not come here, then how they are going to do it? Yes, you are right. They need to find the total distance around the field that requires the fencing. Then how we are going to take it out? Yes, we have to add the lengths of each side. So that will add to the total distance. You know, students, this is called or the distance around the park, the total distance around the park or the jogging track would be its perimeter.
So what is perimeter? The measurement or the distance around an object is its perimeter. Or you can see it is the measurement around a shape or the boundary. Suppose this is a pencil box or a geometrical box. If I want to put a boundary around this box, how would I do it? Yes, suppose I have these white stones placed around it. So I'll start placing the white stone. Okay. Then I would know how many white stones I can place.
Perimeter, as you
So
can
the
see,
number of white stones
the boundary
will
represents
tell me what?
rectangle.
Yes, the perimeter of
So,
the
such
box.
figures which are bounded by the line segments are called rectilinear figures, like a triangle and all. So for taking out the perimeter, we
I
first
can find
measure the
perimeter of this
length and breadth.
box.
So if you will
The
see
number
here,
of stones
the length
which
is
will be
around
placed
16
around
centimeter,
the
while
boundary
its width or breadth is
will
around
tell
8
the
centimeter.
total
So for
distance
taking
around the
out
box
perimeter, we need
or
to
the
add all the distances. So
Yes,
first breadth,
perimeter
then
of
length,
the
then again breadth,
box.
then length. So that will be 8
area
plus 16
around
plus
the
8
box
plus
or the perimeter
16.
of the box.
That will be the
See?
total distance around the
So this
all the
measurement
sides.
is called
So
perimeter.
that is equal to 48 centimeter. So we can say that the total distance or the perimeter around the box is 48 centimeter. Okay. So this 48 centimeter will be the perimeter of the rectangular box. So from this experiment we conclude that perimeter is the measure of the distance around an object. It is found by adding the lengths around it. Okay, like
you can see, now see this park again. So if you have to find the perimeter of this park, we need to add all the distance. So 200 meter plus 125 meter, plus 100 meter plus 150 meter plus 75 meter plus 100 meter. So this is the sum of all the
So,
lengths
how we find the
or
perimeter?
the sides of
It
this
is
playground.
found by
Okay, you can see the
adding
measures, different
the
measures.
lengths around.
So to
Okay.
find out the
Now, if you
total
remember
distance
the
or
first figure,
the length of the wire
so the perimeter would
with
be
which this playground is to be
200
or the boundary of this playground
meter
is to be made, we need
plus
to add. So this
125
addition is called the
meter
perimeter. So that will be
plus
total. Now we will add this
100
and
meter
let's get do the total.
plus
So 200 plus 125,
150
325 plus 100, 425, 425 plus
plus
150, that is 575.
75
Then
meter
575 plus 75,
plus
that is 650,
100
and plus 100.
meter.
So that makes a total of 750
That means
meter. So the perimeter of this park will be
adding the length of
750
this
meter. Now
side,
you see,
this
in the
side,
first one,
this, and
what happened?
this. So when we will add all the lengths,
perimeter
we'll
was
find
in
the
centimeter.
perimeter.
And in
Okay.
the second one, the perimeter is
So,
in meter.
This
So the
distance
perimeter
will be
of a
called
figure or
perimeter.
the
So let's
distance
find
around
out.
a figure is measured in the
So it
unit
would
of
be
the
around
length, that is kilometer, meter, millimeter
200
or
plus 125,
centimeter.
that is
So it is, we
325
can conclude
plus
that
100, 425
sum
plus
of all
150,
sides
that would be,
for
yes,
any
575 plus 75, that will be 650 plus 100, that will be 750 meter. Now, unit of perimeter is equals to the unit of distance, that would be either kilometer, meter, centimeter, etc. or the measurement of length, okay, or the units of length. So we can write the formula. Perimeter of any figure is equals to sum of all sides.
A plane figure bounded by line segments is called a rectilinear figure, like a triangle, a rectangle or a square. The perimeter will be sum of its all sides. So the unit of the perimeter depends upon the units of length, that will be either in millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer and so on. So now let's see what will be the perimeter of a triangle. So perimeter of a triangle will be sum of its three sides.